Today we are going to see how to search songs. First step you want to do is just search for Telegram web. After searching, open the first link. It will take some time to load. Then open your phone and open Telegram. Click on menu button and then settings. Click on devices and linked desktop device. Then scan the QR code. After scanning, the telegram will automatically open, and then go to search bar and search for music bought by tech jams. After searching, here you can see the first bot and click on it. Click on the start button, and here you can see the welcome message, and you can find any movies. Just click on the search music button. After clicking, it will ask to send the music name. Here you can send the movie name too. I am sending Telugu KGF movie. After searching, it will take seconds of time and it will give all the movies it have in the database. And here you can see all the movies. If you want to open any song to listen, just click on the button and click on open link. After clicking, click on the play button, and here you go. You can listen the song.